welcome to the Library Latte. We're going to talk about how to get set up in the morning to serve coffee. The first thing we do is blend our Starbucks coffee. We use this machine. The on-off button has to be on, and then you simply place a filter and a pack of coffee. Tear this open and dump one package in, and then press brew start. And then after that's brewed, transfer it over to here, and it's ready to go. The other thing we need to do on Monday morning is to clean our Dewey Egberts machine. It's set so that it has to be cleaned by 3 o'clock every day, but since we aren't using it over the weekend, we need to clean it on Monday mornings as well. You open the machine, and the directions are right here where it says periodic cleaning, and you follow these directions step by step. And you'll want to note the expiration dates on your milk and your coffee products, and then if they've expired, you'll need to replace those. The milk is never frozen, it's kept in the refrigerator, and the coffee is in the freezer back in the staff room, and it takes about a day to defrost. So once you have checked these dates, replace the boxes, and clean the machine, then you'll close this and make sure that this little tab here is closed tightly. Now dispensing the different products is simple. We have cafe latte, cappuccino. Those you press once and it will dispense the proper amount. So for an 8-ounce cup of coffee, a small cup, you will just press it once. For a medium, you'll press it twice. And for a large, you'll press it 3 times. Then for regular coffee, that button you need to press and hold. So we have the 2 options for just regular coffee, the Starbucks or this Dewey Egberts European Roast blend. Then you can also dispense just a shot of espresso. And we have the pricing for that, and that's just the coffee straight out of the box, very strong. We also have a hot water button here and a hot water button here for tea. And the tea is located on the table over here, so the person can just select the tea that they like. Hot chocolate is another option. It's up here. There's the 2 different types of mixes. And a mocha is a drink that's fairly popular, and that is a latte with chocolate syrup added and whipped cream if they'd like it. So just be sure and ask what they would like in their mocha. 3 different sizes, 8, 12, and 16 ounces. And the prices are indicated here on the menu. And then when you ring up drinks, you hit the product button is 1. And then for any other food items, the product item is 2. And have fun making coffee. Hi there, we're going to learn how to make a smoothie. At the beginning of each day, we'll fill the ice bucket with ice and the purple pitcher with water. And then we need to turn on our smoothie machine. The switch is right back here. If for some reason it doesn't turn on, make sure it's plugged in. That could be it. It has a cover on it to prevent it being too loud. So when you put the jars in the smoothie machine, you will need to just set it in there, put the lid on. After you've put your ingredients in, be sure and put this lid on before you close this lid, and then we'll simply follow these directions to make the smoothies. We have 3 different kinds. We have strawberry, pineapple, peach pear, and lemonade. Actually, that's 4, isn't it? And then we have 3 different types of coffee drinks. We've got French vanilla, chai, and then a cocoa drink. So there are 2 separate pricing structures. For the coffee drinks, it's $2.25, and for the smoothies, it's $2.82. So when you ring that up, that'll be an even $3 with tax. So just be aware there are 2 different prices for those. If you'll just follow these directions for the iced coffee and these for the smoothies, and the measuring cups are labeled so that you'll know exactly how much ice to put in for each drink and how much of the product to put in, the smoothie mix. The smoothie mix is in the refrigerator back in the staff room, and it's just a concentrated fruit juice. The coffee drinks are powders, and they're right here. So I think if you follow the directions, you won't have any problem. But be sure and take the jars back immediately after you make the drink and rinse them out really, really well. At the end of the day, we'll sterilize the jars and clean them real well. So during the course of the day, you just need to rinse them. Okay, have fun making smoothies.